Hey everyone, I'm Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello. And if this isn't your first time here, if you've been to my channel before, hello and welcome back. Journaling. This is something that I started last year and it has become life changing. So I thought, hey, why not share with you the benefits of having a journal, how I journal, and also how you can start journaling yourself. As an adult, you're probably thinking, girl, I am too old and too busy to have a journal. Or, girl, a journal, also known as a diary, is just meant for children. Or, girl, my life is so mundane, I wouldn't even know what to write about. And I would tell you, first of all, you are not too busy or too old to have a journal. And journals, also known as diaries, are not meant just for children. And if you think your life is mundane, I'm going to tell you right now that it is most certainly not mundane. Now that we have established that you are not too busy, not too old, that journals are not just meant for children, and that your life is not mundane, here are some of the benefits of having a journal. Relieve stress, inspire creativity, allows you to self-reflect, and help you deal with your thoughts and feelings. Now, I have 4 journals. I know it is a bit excessive, but each journal does serve a significant purpose. I don't write in every single journal every single day. It really just depends on my mood or if I have something to do that day. I typically like to write in the morning, but if I have a busy morning, then I'll write at the end of the day. I don't write like midday just because I think that's like weird and very unnatural for my lifestyle. But I will suggest for you to write when it is the most convenient for you. If you don't have time in the mornings, then yeah, just write at night. Or if midday writing works for you, then hey, do what works for you, man or woman. This is my planner / journal. It says it's cool to be kind because yes, it is always cool to be kind. Because it's so tiny in size, I don't write a whole lot of it. This one is morely used. Morely used. Is that even a word? Morely. The fob in me is coming out. This one is mostly used for like my thoughts and my feelings. Sometimes I'll say something encouraging. Sometimes I'll say something that's not encouraging. Things I'll tell myself like, girl, do better. Or is this the life you want to live? Or you need to get on it. Just, you know, things of that nature. Because I need to help myself. I need to hold myself accountable. And I feel like with this journal, as I'm planning my days or I'm planning like something that's going on in my life, it's also nice to have a message to remind myself that I need to continue chasing my dream. That makes sense? I hope that makes sense. This journal was actually gifted to me by my bestie. It is called Daily Deposit and it was created by Guide Culture. They're a local company here in Georgia. This is a really great journal for a first timer because of how they have it set up. So when you open the notebook, there is a nice little message for you and it basically tells you what the whole daily deposit means. And you turn the page over, it tells you like instructions of daily deposit, and then it tells you like what the outline looks like. And then you turn the page over again and there are so many affirmations. Y'all know I love affirmations. And then you turn the page over one more time, then it's telling you how to, it gives you an example of how to fill in your daily deposit. Again, this is not something that I do every single day. It really just depends on my mood. But for first time journalers, it's not even a word. If you're going to journal for the first time, I feel like this would be a really good journal because of the outline they give you. And as if this journal wasn't giving enough, throughout the journal you'll actually find inspiring message. One like, diamonds are created under pressure. Yeah, so if this is something that you're interested in, I will include a link in the description box below. This journal, this one right here, this is my scripting manifesting journal. It says new day, new mindset, new focus, new intentions, and new results. Script journaling and scripting, scripting is a manifesting technique. I don't want to share too much information because script journaling and journaling are two different things. Basically, a scripting manifesting journal is when you write about the life that you desire as if it is happening. I am fairly new to script manifesting, but if you want to learn more about writing the life you desire as if it's happening as a manifesting technique, then I will include some other YouTubers in the description box below that will be way more better. I cannot talk today. That will be better at explaining what scripting means is. I swear, the fob in me is just coming out. This green ordinary college notebook is my journal. This is the one that I write in almost every single day. Journaling to me is so uplifting. It keeps me centered, it keeps me grounded, and if I go a couple days without writing, my mood is different and my energy is low. It has helped me deal with issues that I would not be sharing with you, because at the end of the day, this is the internet and I'm a pretty open and personal person, but I gotta have my boundaries. You know what I'm saying? Like, this gets all of me. The Japanese, they believe we have 3 faces. One you show the loved ones, one you show the world. I'm sorry, let's go in order. One you show the world, one you show the loved ones, and one you only show yourself. And this right here is pretty personal. I am not a strong writer. Me and grandma, we just okay friends. But a journal, your journal, it will not care if you cannot spell, have run-on sentences, or use too many commas. With a journal, you can just be, and you can write however and whichever way you want to. So if you're going through something good or bad, grab a piece of paper, grab a pen or pencil, and just start writing. And if you don't know what to write about, I got you. First off, you can write about your day. What was the highlight of the day? Did something funny happen that day? Or did you see something that gave you faith in humanity? You can write about your feelings. You can write about your thoughts. You can write about what made you happy, what made you mad, or something that made you for the first time ever, or maybe not the first time ever, but for a second, just want to stop time. You know, I have been watching a lot of Flash on Netflix. Comment below if you have seen Flash, or you're watching Flash, you're a fan of Flash. Journaling doesn't have to be this big, deep thing. If anything, it's supposed to be relaxing. Like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, one of the benefits of having a journal is that it can release stress. But that doesn't mean you only write when you're stressed. Also write when you're feeling good too. And don't overthink what you're supposed to write about. Just write what comes to mind. Writing can give you self-awareness and put you in tune with yourself. All day long, you are being pulled in so many directions, but when you write in your journal, it only pulls you in one direction, inward with yourself. And again, you don't have to be a strong writer. It's okay to have writing mistakes and grammar mistakes. Who cares? It's your journal. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for watching this video. I'm Pachia. I will see you in my next video. So till then, have a wonderful day and a relaxing week.